Hey guys, I'm Ashley and this is Chip Builds, and today we're going to stain and paint some pens. I sanded this maple pen blank up to 600 grit. That will be nice and smooth for the stain to go on. I'm using gray Minwax stain for this test, and really what I do is I just take a little bit onto a cloth and I wipe it onto the pen and I let it spin for a little bit to try to dry as quickly as possible, and then I just keep reapplying coats. So once I had built up the stain, I then took the cloth and wiped off the excess before finishing it with a few coats of thin CA glue, and then I sanded with micro mesh from 1500 grit up to 12,000 grit and put some plastic polish on it, and it was super smooth and really nice to the touch. Okay, so part of the reason why I'm doing this experiment is because I have a ton of leftover maple wood, and I just didn't really want to go out and buy a bunch of pen blanks of different colors of wood to try out these different things. So I thought, hey, I have a bunch of different stains and I have a couple cans of spray paint, so let me try them out and see what happens. You know, see if it works, if it absorbs it or not, or if it just totally makes it look really bad. So the other thing I wanted to try was some spray paint. I had this copper spray paint laying around, and I just sprayed a ton of it onto this blank and just constantly rolled it that way that there wouldn't be any paint drips and that it would be nice and smooth to the touch once it fully dried. Once the blank had dried, I brought it back to the lathe and chucked it back up, and that way I could put a few coats of thin CA glue on again and sand it up to 12,000 grit and just buff it out to a nice shine. The spray paint ended up working really well for this, and I'm really excited to try different colors in the future. It does show the wood grain a little bit though, so if that's something that you like, then that would be cool. I was kind of going for the more solid color where you couldn't see the grain, but I liked it this way too. Overall, it came out really nice, and I'm really happy with this experiment. Overall, though, between the two, I do think the stain does cover the blank more, and it's a little easier to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I think these pens came out pretty great. I didn't show all of them in this video just because one of the stains really is the same for all the stains because it's all the same brand, which was the Minwax brand. Honestly, they came out way better than I expected, and I'm really excited because I have all this maple wood still that I get to just keep trying out with the different colors and whatever else I can find. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and consider liking it, and leave a comment letting me know which one is your favorite color.